Thank you very much for joining me for this session of Dr. Plotzker's Mind. The snow came, perhaps a little less than I thought it would be. My snowblower has not worked for a few years. I've not had a snow for a few years, at least not one beyond my capacity to shovel. This one is beyond my capacity to shovel, though probably within my ability with the snowblower. Still, my wife arranged for a younger, hardier person to remove what has accumulated. I've not been outside. Newspaper delivery, which usually gets me outside first thing in the morning, has been suspended. Listening to local traffic reports, the interstates seem reasonably clear. Roads that would get me to a supermarket also are reported as passable, though my driveway and street are not. Could I do this with a snow shovel? I probably could do the driveway and the walk, but it would take me more time, doing it in 10-minute sessions than I want to spend on it. What I probably could not do is clear out the ridge that the snow plow that makes our street passable creates on each driveway. That I don't think I could do now that I am very much a senior citizen. That would take a little bit too much out of me. I thought about getting my snowblower reconditioned. It would cost about 2 snow shovelings. It would have been nice to have. On the other hand, for the price that the snow clearer quoted us, I'd much rather stay inside. Even with the snowblower, I'd be outside in the bitter cold for about an hour, maybe a little bit more, divided into a few sessions. So even if I could restore it to function, maybe I shouldn't. Or again, maybe I should. Every year, come November, I put on my November tasks revive snowblower, and I never do. Just getting it to the repair shop is an ordeal. Though there is a repair shop within a half mile of my house. It just doesn't fit into the cars. I don't have an SUV. So, looking at what accumulated, the likelihood of another event in the next year or so, hiring somebody makes more sense than doing it myself. Since I now have a few hours indoors that I might not have otherwise had, I should take advantage of that. There are household chores to do. There are semi-annual tasks that I could be working on but haven't. But this extra time that would have otherwise been spent with a heavy coat, possibly long johns, a Peruvian wool hat, and gloves does not require me to dress up for the cold. It's time to let somebody else do it and pay them. Thanks so much for sharing this session of Dr. Plotzker's Mind.